Wagwan my viewers, wagwan my subscriber, welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife. I don't know see me there today with a brand new video for you know, guys. But you see yesterday I'm forward. What really happened is that I come yesterday, forgot to shoot my intro today. Same thing, so I just come back out of the water and decide to want to shoot the intro. If you really want to see what going on today, please stick and stay. Remember, you know, keep showing the love, keep showing the support. As always, I'm excited to get into that one I would know. So just make we jump right in and stay tuned, alright? Jamaica Wildlife. Always remember to share your thoughts, drop your comments down below. Always remember to subscribe if you feel like my channel deserves that much. Turn the notification bell on so you do not miss an update whenever time Jamaica Wildlife posts, guys. Always, I'm here, guys. Stay tuned, alright?
So I'm gonna just super that blue. Gun the feed. Yo, more than 10 of them. We see one just how like one yellow, one of them kill. Bigger part, but then they went wild. Shoot. Jack, yes, the dog. Oh God. You have to see, let me knife him kill him. No. Where knife? Cause she said, wire, dog, help me. Hold again. Okay, I'm going to land. Come swim to so. Yeah.
Yo, take it forward for your time. Forward.
No. You know that? Where knife?
Yo, okay, go for that sure.
We have to carry me, but hold on, give me knife. Can't swim off it.
That's my knife.
Oh God. Eh? Oh God, boy, fish there like a... We say fish are big on the youth. See that shit there? You dead. Camera, a record?
He hard.
Hold him in, bro.
Hold him up. Take on this.
Where are you going?
You're shooting with the second spear?
No, you're shooting.
Yo, we need to go fire soon. We need to move fire right now.
I'm going to take this here.
Yo, I take you, take my front, let me go bless you back, you know? That one a massive that. That carry me that come back home. Alright, come here. Take out.
Yeah. Oh God, boy. Jaja God. Eh? Oh. Oh God. Daddy? Yes, boy. Yo, me now wait so tight. Come here to go back to water.
Oi, you're right. I'm dive down. Go to shoot you. We smoke back left him.
Oh God, boy.
Big boy.
Alright guys, so right now I just reach back at the house and things like that, so there, right now I try to deal with the tarpon, cut him up and some sitting and then go a little catch and cook with maybe snapper or something else, but I don't think I'll do it with the tarpon, you know, kind of too big, I don't know. I don't know what go happen, but let's see what going on. Alright guys, so fill up one side of Snook now. This Raj love doing spearfishing in Jamaica. I'm only believing of a fillet fish. Look there. Nice piece of slab, you know. Thick you fall down. Alright guys, so next side, so we have piece of tarpon there. Yeah man. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, so see it there. One big bucket of tarpon. I'm alone in that. I know guys, today I prep some cabbage.
What people make it this morning? Falling.
Little bit of scallion guys. We have thyme, scallion, okra, cabbage, carrot. Could be a little piece of onion if you want, you know. See it there. Soon we reach to the next part guys. Yeah man. Alright guys, so right now, see them there now. Moment of truth. Start on a binner weight pan.
Yes, boy. Monster.
Hey Raj, spearfishing in Jamaica, you see this? Your favorite them have to shoot in a boy.
Raj.
Yeah man, you love shoot snapper. After a long day at sea, rinse them off back in one thing. Yeah guys, so right now we are seasoning them up, and seasoning of choice is a mixture of a little bit of everything. So we have two kind of Maggi seasoning. We have fish seasoning and Maggi chicken season to give it a different flavor. We have some salt, a little bit of black pepper inside of it, stuff like that same way, because as you know, you have to know we are doing a steam fish to give it the right flavor so it actually nice, you understand? Yeah man. I done now, my stepfather himself, Ricky.
Yeah.
Yeah. And most of my video them same way. Yeah guys. Season them up in one then, put them on the fire. And at the same time we eat them up, yeah? Alright guys. Alright guys, so right now, come down to our next part, right? So just apply some butter on the file paper, just so the fish them not to stick and feel its own flavor. You know? Yeah man. Big boy first. Yeah man. Yeah man, apply vegetable and watch it come like a seasonal cookie. Stuff up in belly. No crackers. Oh, crackers did they? My god. Guys, look at that. Not a run water already.
Inside. Inside, outside.
Cheese and peas. Alright guys, so we add some water down inside of it. Like not too much, but you still need a little bit of water in it in case you watch it and it like you'd like to steam a fish afterwards. Yes, so these are the steps. Little water in it to make sure so it's better to steam through, help steam through it and it not burn. Along with the butter, help it resist from sticking onto it, alright? So that's what it looks like. On to the next one, and we'll see them up on the fire. See it there? Yeah man. Them up on the griller now, so you know. Yes sir. So how long them are steam for now, knowing that them so big?
10 minutes, 25.
Alright, so 25 to 20 to 25 minutes and then see you guys, alright? So see it there? Mind bunny, you know? Yeah man. Alright guys, so after 25 to 30 minutes we actually leave it over time because while checking it here, because we don't want it not cook through right. And since them so big, I say mind the bunny, you know, Benji? Yes guys, so you have a little laughter. So after 30 minutes as this now. Alright, so we just get them off and then move inside with them and we just feast on them while you guys get a chance to be a part of that, alright? So enough talking, let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so see it here? Moment of truth. See what our snapper look like. Take your time, Benjamin. Oi. Raj. Good steam. Guys, come on. I mean, what better way? Fresh catch idea, come home. Just a feast on it with family members. Oh my god, my mouth run water. Whoa. Mommy. Yeah, my queen, I love to take it first bite. Come, mommy, man. Mother, I love to take it first bite. Mommy, dig in anywhere that you want. You hear me? Yeah, your son go out to look that. How it tastes, mommy? Yeah. Yes, Jaja, guys. See, chef the guys. Yeah, man. Really? So, I dig into it, guys, and talk to you a little bit, yeah?
Tasty, big brother.
Woo, if I laugh, I'm dead. Yes, boy.
Benji.
All the pepper just.
Come out. You got that? I think that's right. The fish is nice in a
No, man, they can't breathe in. See the right there to me.
So when I pass go?
Maybe that one. So come right and catch me next.
You don't think it's here, I'm going to do it.
I already have video now, so I know where you talk up in my video and I'm going for Guys, trust me guys. My God, the fish are
One fish could have nice fish come right.
guys, I tell you about all the seasoning. Okra, cabbage, everything on point. My camera lighting pouring. Yeah guys. How nice little crackers there guys. Steamy.
Fish come out. I got a good one.
Oh God, how come?
Yeah, fine, but what's a big thing? I'm a Benji. I wonder if a Benji do it.
Then Ricky, she guani.
You guan?
Ricky, you guan.
Uncle Ricky guan.
You guan.
Alright guys. One little piece of one little small token. Your old brother is the name dinner rolls, but I want to raisin. Yeah? Stop up some gravy with you now and beat it down. Hold on. Yeah? Let me fuck mommy. Please. Hey, go quick mommy, it's the bigger part. Guys, it's a mouthful, it's a blessing, I swear to God. God, thank you for today. My belly full, but I can't stop. Raj! Raj, if you did there. Yeah, guys. Peacing with my family. Me alone. Snapper your big milk sister. Yeah. What do you think, it sis? Nice? Yes. Alright. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, but like always, you know, guys, should family done their feast pan already and stuff. Me just go like talk to you a little bit while they need some. Thank you guys so much for sticking and staying. I hope you really do enjoy this video. If you think my channel deserves to be subscribed to, please don't hesitate. Smash that subscription button, guys, and turn the notification bell on. And until next time, alright guys, like, share, and like always, just tell someone else who you haven't told about my channel yet and help me to grow, alright? Yeah man guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, God bless, and one love. Jamaica Wildlife.